everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make what I like to call a two-faced frame. What does that mean? This one side will be the original color and the other you take some Rust-Oleum spray paint, color of your choice, and you paint the other half. So I am going to tape this up and I will be back in a few minutes. All right, it's all taped up and ready to go. I got the color I'm going to use. It's blue, as I said before. Blue's my favorite color. So pop the cap off, just like that. I'm going to switch hands for I'm filming this on my phone, so. All right, shake the can up real good. And here we go. And there we go. There we go. Now we let it dry. It is now dry. So I'm going to pull it off of here and I'm going to put this back on it. And it's going to look really cool. This is the end result. You have a picture frame that is two different colors. The stock color's right here. This is the painted one. And that is why I call this a two-faced picture frame. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.